Here's a few things that I get done as a stay-at-home mom of 8 kiddos. 7 of them are in school, but one of them are home with me, which is my 3-year-old toddler. I'm doing a deep kitchen clean, and I'm going to be doing some laundry, some folding, the whole shabazz. Y'all, I'm probably like the only one in the world that do this, but I don't use my dishwasher. I wash my dishes and then I let them sit in the dishwasher. I leave the dishwasher open so they can dry. I don't use my dishwasher. I just use it to dry my dishes off. have all 8 kiddos at the park. As you can see, I have AJ right here. He can't help but be under me at all times. Charlie, my little independent baby. No, she deserves some work. She been playing at the park. Yeah, I gotta finish the rest of Savi. Malahim that keep yelling, Issa.
Just this little.
Elisha, can you wave your hand, Elisha?
Oh.
Hi.
No, Mom, there's not 10 of us.
You got Malachi right there with the hat. Issa. Alright, who's the model? Kaye. That's our 18-year-old. Yes.
Did you ever think I tossed up?
He don't like the heat.
Go sit next to Kaye.
Oh, it's here only because I told him he has to come. We're making it a family day at the park. But he's going to be on his phone and he's going to be in the shade.